Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to be making an egg fried rice. We're going to be throwing a little beef in there with it and some really good stuff. So come on in. Actually, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to be talking about this giveaway and the rules for it and all that. So come on in, check this stuff out. Let's get this going. Alright, so we got some green onion that we're going to throw on at the end. We got about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We have 3 eggs. We have the sauce right here. That's a little bit of teriyaki, some soy sauce, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, and some sriracha. And I threw some sesame seeds in there as well. And then we got up here, we got some peas. Then we're frozen peas. We got some fresh carrot. We have 2 cups of cooked rice. I cooked it last night, so this is day-old rice. And then up here we got, that's about half a pound of flank steak that I diced up. So let's get it cracking. All right, we're up to temp. I got it pretty warm right now. It's at like 450-ish. So we got some peanut oil right here, because that's what a lot of people recommend when cooking this type of dish. So let's spread that around nice and good. Don't want it all running down. There we go. Let's get this meat going first. I'm not wasting it. Alright. Just get this. Oh yeah, that is hot. Everything's sticking. Here we go. Alright. Let that start going. Let's get these veggies going over here. We got the peas. Alright. Got the carrot. There we go. Turn this up. Want to get it nice and good. Alright. Come back over here, get this stuff. Oh yeah, that's cooking up real good. So right now, I have all my burners are on like a medium-low heat. Alright, so let's make a little spot in here. Let's get this garlic on. Let's let that go. Get a little fragrant going. Ooh, baby, smell that garlic. That smells amazing. Alright. Man, does that smell good. Alright, now I'm just going to let this stuff cook up for just a minute or so, and then we're going to start throwing the rice on and everything else, and this is going to be a quick one. Looks like everything's heating up good. I'm going to turn these up a little bit more now. Now, let's, oh yeah, man, that garlic smells so good. Alright, there we go. Get this meat. Oh yeah, the meat is pretty much done, it looks like. So we're just gonna kill the left burner, kill it. Now let's get this rice going in with the veggies. There we go. There we go. That's what I like to see. This looks really good. Now I cooked this rice last night in my pressure cooker. I've never done that before. Gave it a try and it actually went really, it's so much easier than cooking on the stove. So yeah, you guys should look into getting yourself one of them or a rice cooker. It's a standard rice cooker too. Yep, get that good. Now we're gonna let this stuff heat up together so I can break these chunks up a little bit more. And we're getting there. We're gonna go ahead, mix the meat in with this. Let's get all that meat. There we go. Mix that stuff together now. Oh yeah. That is looking good. All right, we're gonna move this stuff over. Move it all over here. All right, let's get a little bit more of the oil down. Let's get these eggs going. All right. Garbage. Get that ready. All right. Come on. There we go. All right. Boom. Grab that. Paper towel. Come on. There we go. All right. Here we go. So go ahead. There we go. Get that all good. Look at that, that's almost good. Keep working on this. Ooh, got some meat. There we go. Keep that good. And when you cook the rice the day before and you keep it in the fridge, it's gonna like want to clump up like how it came out. It gets really clumpy. Just gotta break it up. No biggie. All right. Boom. Get that in there. Now, I am going to, let's turn this one off and this one all the way on low. So we got off, low, medium, high. Let's just move this to the middle so we got a better angle. All right, here comes the sauce. Hey, you see my breath? A little chilly. All right, mix that up a little bit. Here we go. Let's start with that. See how that goes. And I forgot to say this in the beginning, but I did put some MSG in the sauce. There's a popular YouTube person out right now, Uncle Roger, and he swears by this stuff, so I thought I'd give it a try, see if I even notice. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more sauce. There we go, that should be good. Oh yeah. All right, you see it. it's all done. Top it off with some of these. Mix that stuff in. And I got all the burners off. All right. Oh yeah, that green onion. Oh man, I'm ready to plate this stuff up in max. You guys see this? This is looking good. Let's get some beef in there. Got everything. That is good. Got a real little hint of that sriracha. Very little though. I should have put more in. I like my stuff spicy, you know that. That beef, oh, that's done right. Not overdone. Them veggies, there's not much crunch on the veggies just because we did the carrots so thin. Oh man, that is amazing. Well, I'm gonna clear this up with here, let's finish off with this stuff. This is what we're doing. We got the cutting board, and we got a utensil kit with some spatulas, squirt bottles, and a scraper. And I think I'll let you guys decide. Do you want to do one person wins both, or do two winners? One person wins one. It's up to you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Put in the comments a way for me to contact you if you are the winner. I don't know, Twitter handle, Instagram, Facebook, email, anything. Don't put no phone numbers. We don't want to put no phone numbers out there. That's not good. But let me know. And to qualify to win, you gotta be subscribed. Thumbs up the video, and comment below with what I just said. You know, some way to contact you, and just tell me what you like to eat. Tell me a meal I should do. Anything. Just put a comment down there along with a way to contact you, and yeah, I'm gonna draw it next week. I want to try and get it to whoever wins before Christmas. So I appreciate you coming along. Let's griddle on all the time. All right, thanks.